Morning students, Digital Logic Fundamental. The next one is a binary coded decimal, what is called the BCD. It is also known as weighted code. The straight binary numbers are difficult for understanding. For example, if we take a binary number, suppose 10, 110, 112, the corresponding decimal is 183. This process takes a lot of time and one should know the procedure how to convert into decimal form. So the binary coded decimal makes conversion from binary to decimal or decimal to binary much easier. Each decimal number is represented by a nibble. For example, the 8421 is a weighted code and is known as the 8421 BCD code, which is a popular code converting the decimal form to binary form and is known as the BCD code. The other weighted codes are 2421 and 5221. The common weighted code is a 8421 BCD. Now this is the example of the BCD number. So for 0, the binary is a 0, BCD is a 0. Like that 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Up to 9, the binary and BCDs are same. Okay. Then for the number 10, the binary is a 1010, but it is not a BCD. So that we represent the BCD separately here, 1 and 0. The binary 1 is a 0001 and the binary 0 is a 0000. Therefore, 10 in BCD is 0001 0000, like that 11. So 1 then 1. So 0001 000. Like that any number 3 digit, 4 digits, 6 digits, we can represent easily with BCD form. So up to 9, the binary and BCDs are same. When it exceeds 9, then we separate the number, what is called a BCD. So this is the 8421 BCD. Then another one is a non-weighted code. It is a XS3. The XS3 code is represented by adding 3 with a binary number. Okay. So the BCD or binary is a 000. Then we have to add 3. 0 plus 3 is a 3. Therefore, 3 is a 0011. Like that 1, we add 3, 4. So 0100. So like that 7, we add 3. So 7 plus 3 is a 10. So 1010. Like that 8, 9, etc. This is called the XS3. It has no weight. So the XS3 is called the non-weighted code. Now, what is the BCD addition? How to perform the BCD addition? Right. Suppose 0101 added to 0110. Then 1 plus 0 is a 1, 0 plus 1 is a 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 0 is a 1. Now 1011, which is not a BCD. BCD ranges from 0 to 9, that is 1001. So which is not a BCD. Hence we add the 6, that is the binary 6, 0110. Therefore 1 plus 0 is a 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1. We put the carry here. Okay. Then we add as many zeros here. Okay. Now this is a 1 and this is a 1. therefore 11, whose value is a 11. This is a 5, this one is a 6. So 5 plus 6 is a 11. So 11, 1, 1. Like that, we can perform BCD addition. Suppose if the BCD is within the range, we leave it. If it exceeds the BCD range, then we add 0, 1, 1, 0, and then which gives the answer. So similarly here we take. So 184, 576. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, then 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is now, this is the BCD. Then 576, 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, then 7, 0, 1, 1, 1, then 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now we add these two. 0 plus 0 is a 0, 0 plus 1 is a 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 0 is a 1. 0 plus 1 is a 0, 0 plus 1 is a, what is that? Oh, here 0 plus 1 is a 1. Then 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1. So we put the carry here. So 1 plus 1 is a 1, 0 plus 0 is a, how it comes carry here, it's 1 plus 1 is a 0 here. Then carry 1, 1 plus 1 is a 1, then 0 plus 1 is a 1, 0 plus 0 is a 0. This carry we have to add here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 1, 0 plus 0 is a carry 1. So 0 plus 1 is a 1, 1 plus 1 is a 1, 0. Okay, right. Now, so this is BCD, this is not BCD, and this is not BCD. Therefore, we add 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Therefore, 0 plus 0 is a 0, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1. Then here, already here 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1, then 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is a 0, carry 1, then this is 1, it becomes 7. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, you perform as like that, you get the answer. Now, gray code. The gray code is a binary numeral system where two successive values differ in only one bit. The gray code is also known as reflected code. Gray codes are used to represent the digital data converted from the analog data. Only one bit changes between the two consecutive numbers. The gray code is an unweighted code. It is not suitable for arithmetic operation. It is used in the mechanical movement or rotations, mostly in the analog and digital converters. Now, so how to convert a binary to gray? So this is the binary number 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So first step is we take this one as it is. Then this one is added with the second and put only the remainder here. Omit the carry. So 1 plus 1 is a 0. Omit the carry. 1 is omitted. Now 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0. Then 1 plus 0 is a 1. So 0 plus 1 is a 1. So what is called the gray? Right? First we take the digit as it is, then add with the next digit, then omit the carry. Okay, then 1 plus 1 is a 0. 1 plus 1 is a 0. 1 plus 0 is a 1. 0 plus 1 is a 1. Therefore, the gray code is a 1 0 0 1 1. So this is the binary to gray conversion. Then gray to binary. Suppose a gray number, the previous number is given. How to convert them? Take this number as it is. Then this is added to the gray. So 1 plus 0 is a 1. Then 1 plus 0 is a 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, omit the carry. Then 0 plus 1 is a 1. So this is the binary. Okay. So to take the 1 as it is, then add with the gray code. So 1 plus 0 is a 1. 1 plus 0 is a 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0. And 0 plus 1 is a 1. So this is the gray to binary conversion. Next, error detection code. The binary information pulse or the digital signal may be transmitted through the communication medium such as the wires or radio waves. So any external noise introduced into physical communication medium changes its bits value 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. An error detection code can be used to detect error during the transmission. A parity bit is an extra bit included with the message to make the total number of 1 either odd or 0. During the transfer of the information from one location to another, the parity bit is handled as follows. In the sending end, the message is applied to the parity converter network where the required parity bit P is generated. The message, including the parity bit, is transferred to the destination end. In the destination end, the incoming bits are applied to the parity check network to check the proper parity is adopted. An error is detected if we receive the checked parity does not match the corresponding to the adopted one. The message of 4-bit and parity bits are represented in this table. Okay. So 0 0 0 0. So even parity is a 0. Here 1. So 1. Odd number, so 1 here. Even number, therefore 0. Odd number 1. Even number of 1 0. Even number of 1 0. Odd number of 1 1. So like that, this is the even parity. Similarly, the odd parity. So 1 here, odd number of 1, therefore 0. Odd number of 1, therefore 0. Even number of 1s, therefore 1. There is the vice versa of the even. Okay. So this is called the parity. This parity is added with the message, which is to be transmitted to the destination end. Okay. So here examples of parities are given. So this is the bit, and we added the parity bit. So here 1 1 1 1. So for even parity, even number of 1s, therefore 0. Here odd number of 1s, therefore 1. The parity bit is added. The next one is a alpha numeric codes. The different types of codes are used to represent the alphanumeric codes. They are called the ASCII, the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, which is a 7-bit character set containing 128 characters. The other code is a extended ASCII, so which uses to represent 2 power 8, that is 256 different characters. So these are the various ASCII characters. So 0 is a null character, then 1 is a start of heading, like that. Even the alphabets A, capital A is represented in the ASCII is a 65, B is 66, like that. Z is 90, then small a is from 97, Z is a 122, like that. All special characters, numerals, operators, everything has a unique character. So what is called a ASCII character set.